Are you tired of spending hours chopping, shredding, and blending ingredients by hand? Do you dream of a kitchen gadget that can handle everything from shredded cheese to dough with ease? Enter this GE12 Cup food processor, a 550-watt powerhouse designed to revolutionize your meal prep. This comprehensive review dives deep into why this food processor is a must-have for home cooks, busy families, and culinary enthusiasts. Packed with stainless steel accessories, intuitive controls, and a large feed tube, it's built to save time and elevate your cooking game. Let's explore why this appliance deserves a spot on your countertop. Solving your kitchen prep woes. Meal preparation can be a daunting task, especially when you're juggling multiple recipes or feeding a crowd. Hand chopping vegetables, shredding cheese, or kneading dough can turn cooking into a chore. The GE12 Cup food processor eliminates these pain points with its robust 550-watt motor and versatile accessories. Whether you're prepping a week's worth of meals or whipping up a quick dinner, this machine streamlines the process, making it faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Say goodbye to tedious knife work and hello to effortless precision. Why the GE12 Cup food processor stands out. This food processor isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. With a sleek stainless steel design, a generous 12-cup capacity, and a suite of high-quality accessories, it's engineered for performance and convenience. Here's a closer look at what makes it a standout choice in 2025. Powerful 550-watt motor. Tackles tough ingredients like dense vegetables, meats, and nuts with ease, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. 12-cup capacity with ergonomic handle. Perfect for large families or batch cooking. The spacious jar holds enough for big meals, and the handle makes pouring a breeze. 3-speed controls, high, low, pulse. Offers precise control for chopping, blending, or pulsing, making it versatile for everything from salsas to doughs. Stainless steel accessories. Includes a grating disc, French fry disc, dough blade, emulsifier disc, mini chopping bowl, and spatula for endless culinary possibilities. Large feed tube. No need to pre-cut ingredients. Whole vegetables and large chunks fit effortlessly, saving you valuable prep time. Dishwasher-safe components. Cleanup is a snap, as the jar and accessories are designed for easy dishwasher use, keeping your kitchen routine stress-free. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. Investing in the GE12 Cup food processor means more than just owning a gadget. It's about unlocking new levels of efficiency and creativity in the kitchen. Here are the top benefits that set this appliance apart. Time-saving efficiency. The large feed tube and powerful motor cut prep time in half, letting you focus on the fun parts of cooking. Versatile performance. From shredding cheese for tacos to kneading dough for homemade bread, this processor handles it all with precision. Durable and easy to clean. Stainless steel accessories and dishwasher-safe parts ensure long-lasting use and hassle-free maintenance. Perfect for every home chef. Who is the GE12 Cup food processor designed for? This versatile appliance is ideal for busy families. Prepare large batches of soups, sauces, or casseroles to feed a crowd without breaking a sweat. Meal prep enthusiasts. Streamline weekly meal prep with quick chopping, slicing, and shredding capabilities. Home bakers. The dough blade makes kneading effortless, perfect for breads, pizza dough, and pastries. Health-conscious cooks. Blend smoothies, grind nuts, or chop vegetables for fresh, wholesome meals in minutes. Small kitchen owners. Its compact yet powerful design fits neatly on countertops without sacrificing performance. Real-world performance, what users love. After testing the GE12 Cup food processor, it's clear why it's earning rave reviews in 2025. The 550-watt motor powers through tough tasks like shredding carrots or blending thick batters without hesitation. The large feed tube is a standout feature, allowing whole potatoes or cucumbers to slide in without pre-cutting, which saves significant time. The 3-speed controls are intuitive, with the pulse function offering precise bursts for perfect textures. During testing, we shredded cheese for a family-sized lasagna in under a minute and kneaded pizza dough to a perfect consistency in just 2. Addressing common concerns. No product is perfect, and the GE12 Cup food processor is no exception. Some users report that the Dyson kit requires extra care to clean due to its intricate design. However, this is a minor trade-off given the machine's versatility. Others mention that the 550-watt motor, while powerful for most tasks, may not match the intensity of premium models for heavy-duty continuous use. For the average home cook, though, this processor delivers more than enough power for everyday needs. Final verdict: a must-have kitchen essential. The GE12 Cup food processor is a versatile, powerful, and affordable solution for anyone looking to simplify meal prep and elevate their cooking. Its 550-watt motor, large feed tube, and stainless steel accessories make it a standout choice for families, meal preppers, and home bakers. While minor quirks like the Dyson kit's cleaning complexity exist, the overall performance and value are hard to beat. Ready to transform your kitchen routine? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this game-changing appliance yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.